Hi you guys, it's Yang from Tofugami. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use some dollars to make 4 different things. The first thing that we're going to start off with is a jet. You can use any kind of bills you want, dollar bill, 5, 10, 20s, 50s, 100s, whatever. I just happen to have 20s, so I'm going to be using the 20s. The first thing is you want to fold down one corner. To make a sharp shape like this. Edge, you want to do the same thing to the opposite side. As well, and open it back up. You're going to bend one down, corner down, bend the other corner down, and make a sharp triangle on the top like this. You'll see on here, kind of have like little flap wings on there. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just like that. Push one down. Beat up those corners. Same thing. Hold on down. Get your triangle on the opposite side. We're going to fold the flaps over, and then we're going to insert this down here, push it down until it meets the middle, and do the same thing on the other side. Grab the flap, flip it over, push this one down, hold flat, and you open back the flaps again like this. Now on one of them, you can choose whichever one that you like. You're going to fold that top of the pyramid piece in, same thing on the other side. And then you lift those edge pieces, you're going to also fold this piece in as well. Same on the opposite side. So once you got those folded, you'll see that extra flat piece that was here originally isn't there anymore. Then on this piece here, you're just going to fold it over, just like this. Fold right over the flap, and fold it right to where it kind of meets the edge of this corner here. Right there, right there. You're going to flip these pieces up and slide them right in. Tuck them right in there. And if you have a little bit of a space right here, you can kind of fold it up a little bit. And there we have our first origami, a little jet fighter. Alright, don't forget to comment down below which one of these that you like. I did mention in the video that there are 4 projects and I only showed 3. Currently going to be working on this guy on a separate video. It's going to take a lot longer to do them. And if you like these videos and want to see more creative and unique things, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. The tank starts the same way as the jet fighter. We're going to do that triangle piece on the top again. Let's fold the corner down. that triangle on the top again. Okay, we're only going to do it to one side. What we're going to do is flip that little flap over again and fold this piece right here right along the edge here, like this. Okay, and then we're going to fold this open edge right along down to the bottom here. So it's literally in half, just like that. We're going to do the same side, same thing to the other side. Fold down. And up. Then on this, just like this. Okay, so not too far from where the triangle ends, just a little bit, maybe half an inch or so, you fold. And then on this one, right here, maybe about half an inch or so from the end tip, you fold back in again. You lift this triangle piece on the top, and there's these flaps right here. You tuck them right in side the edge, the outer edge top. Same thing here. Pull this one out and tuck it right back in. And on the top of the triangle, we do the same thing as we did the jet fighter. We'll just fold it. Okay. And then to make it the little tank wheels, just kind of pull on this gently. And your finger together, kind of elevate it a little bit. So this piece that we're pulling is just the bottom piece, pushing, creating that momentum for the tires. And then now it just needs that little stick piece. I don't even know what it's called. You use $1 or another bill. Just roll it up. You want to roll really, really skinny. Just like that. And tuck it in like that. And there we go. Alright, and we're going to do the ninja star next. Let's take a bill. We're going to fold it down the long ways. And then we're going to fold the right flap down first. And then fold the left flap up. We're going to flip this over, just like this. And we're going to create, at these corners here, right angles, okay? So that becomes a right angle. Pull this in, and this becomes a right angle. We're going to flip it back the other way. and you see that there's extra material right here from the bill. We're going to fold it and we're going to tuck it inside. So we got it folded. You'll see right here, open it back up and just tuck it inside like that. Same thing on this side, open back up, push it in, tuck it inside. We're back on the side where it looks like there's two folds right here on the edge. We're going to push those in, and these triangle flaps fold right down on our. So you got something kind of like this. We'll take another bill, we'll fold it down. So the first time we folded the right flap down, right? So this time we're going to do the opposite. We're going to fold the right flap up from that middle point there. And then the left one is now coming down. We're going to flip it to the other side. We're going to do our 90-degree angles or corner angles right here and right here on the fold. This comes over this way. Same thing on this side. We're going to flip it over to the other side. We see our excess piece here. Another piece on this side. We're just going to fold it and we're going to tuck it in. Open, push in, and fold back right along those creases again. Open, push in, right along those creases. I'm going to flip over to the other side where there's these double flaps, and we're just going to fold these triangle ends that are right here, just push them right down. Just like that. Okay, now that we have our two, we just folded down with the triangle pieces that are down, we're going to flip to the other side so the triangles are on the opposite direction, okay, facing downward. This triangle piece gets lifted up and gets pushed in here. See this? Just slides right in. Same thing on this one, this just slides right in. Tucks right in there. Now flip over to the other side. We're going to tuck these right in. And this one, we're going to tuck right in here. Okay, needs a little lift. The last piece of tuck-in is always the hardest. And there we go. We have our ninja star. And these fly pretty well too. Now we have our two pieces here. The second piece that we have, we're going to flip it over so it goes like this, crosses over this this way. And then with these corners, we're gonna tuck them into this piece right here, just like this.